Well, I think he started great. He was playing really aggressive. He was not missing a lot. He didn't give me many chances. He went up 2 breaks. I think I was maybe a bit, I don't know, not tired, but definitely unexpected such good play from him. So I said, well, I mean, there's still second set, but then he gave me actually the way back into the set. The tiebreak was close, I would say. Then second set, I missed again a very slow start, love 3, but then again he gave me some chances and I started to play better and the match actually equaled, and I believe that the second set was very equal. Even though the third set was very equal, I maybe got a bit nervous on the 5-1 serving for the match first time, but thank God the second time. I was thinking about actually the situation in the first set. He was 5-1 up and I was like, I don't want to play another tie break, so I thought, okay, I'm going to try to finish it off at 5-3, and thank God it helped. We had a decent crowd, I think. I don't know, it was a full stand. It was very nice to play in front of them, and I mean, it's entertainment for them, and that's why we're here. I mean, that's what we get paid for, to entertain the people. So it was fun. Yeah, they were shouting some stuff like, "You beat Roger, you can beat anybody." Yeah, well, it is true, but it's very tough to play these days. Tennis is very competitive. The level is very high, so the guys ranked 150 can beat anybody from anywhere. So it's very hard, and I'm very happy that I was able to keep my level and succeed.
Top 100 again next week?
Not necessarily. Let's not run ahead. There's still a lot of guys playing the tournaments. They can jump ahead. They can jump. I mean, it's a moving.
Okay.
There's too many tournaments playing this week, so I got 80 points from this tournament. I'm very happy with that. It's going to move me somewhere, and I hope I'm going to continue from this on a better strength.
How does that change your outlook for the coming months?
Well, it's not going to change anything on my schedule. I mean, I'm still going to go to US. I'm still going to go to Asia after that. But it's going to help me in being seeded in US Open. It's going to help me to being seeded maybe in Asian swing. So it will be good. Well, I am Ukrainian. I feel very much Ukrainian. I feel very patriotic. And my country is going through very rough times for the past 4 years. And I believe it's a celebration of my country in that way. You don't have to call me nationalist. I'm just a patriotic Ukrainian which hopes that my country will get better, that the war on the east will stop, and eventually we're gonna be all happy. No, for me, I had a great experience. I stayed a whole week in Kempinski, and I think it's one of the best hotels regarding the services and the crew and the people which we stayed. And I've been traveling a lot, believe me. So I really enjoyed that time. We've been with the family with 2 kids, and we had a great time. And I really like Portorož. A little challenges with the beach because it's a bit rocky, and with the kids you cannot really go inside the water easily, but I mean, we really enjoyed it. It's a great city.